Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to manage notification in Facebook events. Maybe you want to join in a Facebook events, so you want to manage notification on your Facebook events. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook application, you'll be directed into this Facebook homepage. To continue, simply tap on your profile icon at the upper right corner of your screen. And then in here, you need to scroll down and you will see in here Settings and Privacy. Simply tap on this drop down button and tap on Settings. And then in here, you'll see the Preferences. Under the Preferences, you'll see these notifications. And as you can see in here, what notifications you receive. In here, you'll see events. To manage the events notifications, simply tap on these events. As you can see, these are notifications about events. You can also see here allow notification on Facebooks, and you can also see where you receive these notifications and also receive notifications for. In here, if you don't want anything from that, simply tap on the button beside it to turn it off. There you go. If you wanted to know on how to manage Facebook events notifications, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can manage your Facebook events notification, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.